You lost reception?
You know what? Hi guys, good morning. We're on our way to work. I got vitamin C in my mouth.
Hey.
Because I've been eating too much hot food. Even salads are getting me blisters in my mouth.
Blisters, boo?
Mm-hmm. Well, what should I say? Sauce.
Sores, yes. Canker. I bit my tongue last night while I was sleeping.
She made me late because she had to put on makeup for her boyfriend at work.
Oh, I didn't even put on perfume.
And I'm thinking maybe that you feel it too. Tell me, are you busy? Tell me you can stay. 'Cause I'm thinking maybe before you travel to
Oh. So, Ku's gone to work, and now I'm going to work. It's 7:25, and I just stopped to get a coffee at Starbucks, and hey, look at how they spelled my name today. With an I-E. So close. Anyway, I'm gonna head to work now. It's so windy outside, and it's like rain coming horizontally, which is really, really annoying. So hopefully that stops by the time I go in the field later today. So I've just arrived to Ku's work. It's 5, and it's literally like pitch black outside already. Winter is coming. You coming, boo? Are you sick, Papa? Non-white player? Oh, this guy? He's Chinese or something?
Japanese.
So cute. That's adorable. He's shorty. Aw, he's cute, Papa. He looks like Jamie's grandpa. Hey guys. So clearly I'm taking a bath and I'm feeling really tired, so I'm thinking about sleeping a little bit. Do any of you guys sleep in the bath? I know my mom, my dad, and at least my younger brother, probably my older brother too, and myself, we all like to sleep, like have naps when we're taking a bath. It's so relaxing, you just fall asleep. But I swear, like every other person that I've said that I like fall asleep in the bath, they're always like, that's so dangerous, you're gonna drown. And I'm like, I've made it this long, I haven't drowned. I'm pretty sure if I started slipping under, I'd probably wake up. But it's like 8:30 and I'm feeling so exhausted. I'm so excited for Christmas holidays. I have basically like 1.5 days of work left. So tomorrow I'll work a full day, and then Friday we just work in the morning, and then we have like a little like Christmas lunch with the staff. So I can make it through. Then I have like 11 days off, I think. Going back to work on the 2nd, I believe. So that'll be a nice relaxation period. But yes, I think I'm gonna nap a little right now. I'll talk to you guys probably when I'm going to bed. My skin looks like ghostly pale. I have a headache. I swear, my skin always goes like so white when I have a headache. But I've just finished work and probably gonna go home and like either try and sleep a bit or have a bath or something. So that's the plan. I'm just waiting on Ku here at work so we can go home. Okay guys, it's legitimately a windstorm out and the power is frick. So I've come across the street. Power's on at the mall. Oh, it's freezing out. It's so windy. I'm so annoyed that the power's out because my head kills. I just want to cuddle, like, go relax at home, but Well, I'll go find warmth. We're having no luck today with the power out. We thought, okay, let's go see if the power's on at home. And it turns out the surrounding buildings, all the power is on except for like our building and another
I
building.
had a headache. How the hell do you have time to vlog?
I have a headache, by the way. Anyway, so we then decided, oh, let's go see a movie. So we drive to the movie theater and the power's out there. So now we're just gonna go get food and sit at a restaurant that has lights because we don't want to sit at home in the dark in the freezing cold. So that's the plan now.
Oh yeah, I want to go then. You stop it.
It's 8:30. We're pulling in home and the power is still freaking out. This is bullshit. Okay, the garage door works, so that's nice. I'm sad, boo-boo.
Oh yeah, backup generator.
Yeah, here, but not in our apartment. It's just terrible.
Oh, imagine you gotta charge a car.
Terrible. It's gonna be so cold inside because everything is electric and we don't have electricity since 3 p.m. apparently. Fuck. So guys, it's 9:30 and the power's still out. So I'm going to bed.